morning, everyone. I am Babylin M. Ibrahim, reporter number 1 of the Group 4. Lesson 4, Reproduction in Non-Flowering Plants, Grade 6. Engage. What parts of the flower do you know? Make a list of the parts of the flower that you know. Explore. Activity. Explain. Mosses, ferns, and their relatives are plants that do not reproduce flower but reproduce by means of spores. Most live in shady or damp habitats. Conifers are non-flowering plants that reproduce by making seeds. Ipaliwanag, ang lumot pako at ang kanilang mga kamag-anak ay mga halaman na hindi namumulaklak ngunit nagpaparami sa pamamagitan ng spores. Karamihan ay nakatira sa malalim o mamasa-masa na tirahan. Ang conifers ay mga hindi namumulaklak na halaman na nagpaparami sa pamamagitan ng paggawa ng mga buto. How do ferns grow? The stem or rhizome of a fern grow horizontally through the soil. Tiny curled up fronds leaves grow from small buds on the rhizome. The buds under and front expands. The fronds of some ferns grow 20 feet 6 meter long but others reach only 1 hop in 13 mm. Paano daw lumago ang pako? Ang tangkay o rhizome ay isang fern na lumalaki ng pahalang sa lupa, maliit na kulot ng mga dahon, tumutubo mula sa maliit na asbong ng rhizome. Ang mga putot ay nagbubukas at ang fronds ay lumalawak. Ang mga fronds ng ilang ferns ay lumalaki ng 20 feet 6 meter ang haba, ngunit ang iba ay umaabot lamang ng 1 hop in 13 mm. How does moss live without roots? Most mosses grow in short clumps or costions that do not have true roots but short, slender growths called rhizoid. Root-like rhizoid anchor most to soil, rock, or bar but do not draw up water. Instead, leaves absorb moisture in their air. Paano daw nabubuhay ang moss na walang ugat? Karamihan sa lumot ay lumalaki sa maikling payat ng paglaki ng tinatawag na rhizoid. Root-like rhizoid anchor lumot na lupabat o balat, ngunit hindi kumukuha ng tubig sa lip. Ang mga dahon ay sumisipsip ng kahalumigmigan sa hangin. The leafy tips of mosses produce male and female sex cells. Male sex cells swim through the water on the surface of the plant to reach and fertilize female cells. Fertilization produces stalk, sporophyte, or spore capsule that scatters spores into the air. Ang madahong dulo ng lumot ay gumagawa ng mga male and female sex cell. Ang mga male sex cell ay lumalangoy sa tubig sa ibabaw ng halaman upang maabot at lagyan ng pataba ang mga babaeng selula. Ang pagpapabunga ay nagdudulot ng stalk sporophyte o spore capsule na nagkakalat ng mga spores sa hangin.
Good day everyone. My name is Glorgine Sifano. This is a continuation report of Group 4, topic about reproduction in non-flowering plants in grade 6. My report is all about classification of non-flowering plants. There are 11 main phyla of non-flowering plants, which is liverworts, mosses, hornworts, western, club mosses, horsetail, ferns, conifers, cycads, ginkgo, and ctenotypes. The last 4 form a group called gymnosperms. They produce seeds instead of spores. Ang huling 4 ay bumubuo ng isang grupo na tinatawag na gymnosperms. Nagbubunga sila ng mga buto sa halip na mga spores. Spores. Non-flowering plants reproduce by releasing large numbers of tiny spores. These minute organisms consist of 1 or a few seals inside a thaw coat. Ang mga hindi namumulaklak na halaman ay nagpaparami sa pamamagitan ng pagpapakawala ng malaking bilang ng maliit na spore. Ang mga maliliit na organismo na ito ay tinatawag na isa o ilang mga cell sa loob ng isang matigas na thaw coat. Why is spore dispersal important? Many non-flowering plants rely on wind to carry their productive spores as far away as possible. This reduces competition with the parent plant for light, water, and important nutrients. If a spore lands in a damp place, it germinates, which is the sprouts, and grows into a new plant. Maraming hindi namumulaklak na halaman ang umaasa sa hangin upang dalhin ang kanilang mga reproductive spores sa malayo hanggat maaari. Binabawasan nito ang kompetisyon sa magulang ng halaman para sa liwanag, tubig at mahalagang sustansya. Ang mga spore ay dumapo sa isang masa na lugar. Ito ay tumutubo, which is the sprouts, at lumalaki sa isang bagong halaman.
Good day everyone, my name is Rosda G. Domato, B.Ed 21A. Conifers. Trees and shrubs whose develop in woody cones are called conifers. The 550 species include pines, fir, and cedars. Conifers form dense forests and colder northern region. Most keep their leaves all year long. Do other plants have a cones? A group of plants called cycads have large seeds-producing cones that can grow to more than 22 in 55 centimeters long. They have sturdy trunk tufted by long divided leaves and look more like palm trees than conifers. Cycads grow in tropical and subtropical regions. They are descended from a group of plants that flourished 250 million years ago. Today, there are 150 species of cycads. How do conifers produce seeds? Conifers have male and female cones. The male cones release pollen grains, male sex cells, which are blown by the wind of pollen lands on the female cones. Eat fertilizer. The female egg cell, the fertilizer eggs develop into seeds after 1 or 2 years. When the seeds have matured, the female cones opens off the drop which germinate wherever they land. Seeds mature inside the female cones protected by its warm, dry condition. The cones often release its seeds. Why do some conifers have needle-shaped leaves? Leaf-shaped like needs help conifers survive in a cold, harsh climate. The leaves are tough and coated with a waxy outer coat or cuticle. The narrow shape, toughness, and cuticle all help the away with sun, height, wind, and extreme temperature. They also reduce water loss.